Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can repost posts on Reddit, for example, in other subreddits or outside of Reddit, for example. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so navigate to Reddit and navigate also to the post you would like to share. So below each post, guys, you will see that share button, and there are several ways how you can repost your posts here on Reddit. You can do this with your own posts, but of course, if you, for example, create one, you can do that also with other Redditors' posts by simply clicking into that share button, and below you will see three options. So option number one, you simply click into copy link here, and after that, the shareable link will be copied to your clipboard so that you may share that post with your friends via direct messaging services, for example, or emails, or post on social media. But there are also other options, guys. You may, for instance, use the cross post feature, and after that you will be redirected to that menu. So here you may select the community at the top and choose one of the communities you're a member of below to post or to repost it there. And then we got also option number 3, which is embedding. And this is going to allow you to, for example, embed the given post from Reddit on your own website. You will see the embed code at the bottom, guys. So these are the three options you may use for that. Of course, option number 4 would be, let me show you how to do that, simply to click into the given post, for example. And after that, you will see, of course, the URL here at the top. So if you're old school, guys, you may use that method as well too. Simply copy the URL, and after that you may use that the same way you would share it, for example, through that copy link button at the bottom, guys. So there are technically 4 different ways how you can repost posts on or from Reddit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.